Do you have the notes down, but you just can't seem to get the piece to flow yet? This little device is all you need. Let me show you a few ways to use a metronome to find trouble spots, practice them, and get your timing locked down. What is a metronome? A metronome is a device that will repeat a percussive sound at regular intervals. Older style mechanical metronomes pictured here used an adjustable weight and pendulum to keep a steady beat. Newer metronomes are digital and have many extra functions, including emphasizing certain beats, leaving certain beats out, and even adjusting the tempo over time. There are now many metronome applications available that are easy to find and use. How do I use it to fix trouble spots? Be sure you play or sing a comfortable part of the piece first to find your desired tempo. Once you can tap or speak the beat, find out what metronome mark matches your speed. Once you have your metronome set to the right tempo, sing along with the beat to ensure that you are hearing the piece correctly. Once you can sing the piece or section in time with the metronome, begin playing and focus on staying right on beat with the metronome. When you get off beat, pay close attention to the part of the song that you made the timing mistake. Be sure the metronome is loud enough to hear while you are playing. Let's go over to the piano so I can show you how this process works. For this example, I'll use Ode to Joy by Beethoven. Let's start by singing a little bit of the song so we can find what metronome mark we need. Do, 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 do. I can feel the beat, so I'll turn on the metronome and change it until I have that exact beat. This feels about right at 100 beats per minute, so I'm not going to change it. Next, I'm going to play from the beginning, and once I hit a spot that I get off from the metronome, listen very closely and see if I can find out what my timing mistake was. At the very least, we'll be able to find out where the mistake is. Do, 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 do. Oh, I feel myself getting off the metronome there. It seems like the metronome was clicking slower than I was playing, which tells me that I was probably pushing the beat a little too fast there. The metronome is either too fast to play with or so slow that I can't feel the beat. What can I do? One trick to use when having trouble playing with the metronome is to double the speed of the metronome so that it clicks twice per beat. This is called subdividing and can sometimes make slower tempos easier to feel. If you have a digital metronome that can change the sound of individual beats, I'd recommend changing the sound of every other click so that you can clearly hear which clicks are on beat and which ones are off beat. What metronome should I use? There are many free metronome applications that work great. Also, if you have a digital piano, it's likely that the keyboard has a metronome programmed into it. Thanks for watching. Do you have any metronome tricks that you use to help you practice? Let us know down in the comments. We bring you great music lessons and tutorials every week. Happy practicing!